In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Elementor editor. This will be a straightforward guide to help you start using one of the most popular tools for website design. If you're new to Elementor or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will have you up and running in no time. To start, you'll first need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate over to the sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Plugins. Hover over this, and a few options will pop up, from which you'll need to select Add New. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be able to explore the vast library of plugins available to elevate your website's functionality. Now, you've made it to a world of possibilities, but today we're focused on one specific plugin, the Elementor Website Builder. In the search bar located at the top right corner, simply type in Elementor Website Builder. Take a moment to appreciate the possibilities as you explore what this search brings up. You'll want to ensure you're choosing the official plugin to get the best experience. Once you've found it, you'll notice an Install Now button. Click this to initiate the installation process. After you've clicked Install Now, the button will change to say Activate. This is an important step because, without activation, the plugin won't actually run or be accessible on your website. So go ahead and click that Activate button to bring Elementor to life on your site. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and activated Elementor. Now you're ready to explore its robust capabilities. To do so, head over to any page or post you've created or are about to create on your WordPress site. Once you open a page or post, you'll notice a new button that wasn't there before. This button will say Edit with Elementor. This is your gateway to a more dynamic design process, allowing you to visually craft your web pages with ease and creativity. Remember that this button appears on all eligible pages and posts, so don't worry if you don't see it on something like an archive page, as Elementor is geared towards designing individual pages. Feel free to click this button whenever you are ready to delve into the editor. Once you're inside, you'll find an intuitive interface at your disposal with various options to help you create and customize your pages to your liking. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're learning the ropes of Elementor, don't hesitate to use their support documentation and community forums. These resources are invaluable for quick tips and answers to common questions you might encounter. You're now well on your way to designing stunning and interactive pages with the Elementor editor. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.